Wala nga. Ulit, nahanap yung siya. Sino hinahanap mo, Mark? Sino hinahanap mo? Sino? Ah, dito. Sino?
Nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me. You'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help. Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it up. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. I know it sounds conflicting, but being sad can be addicting. Even when it's awful, still easier than committing. To face you might be missing and do the harder work of fixing all of the broken pieces out of place. Nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me. You'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help. Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it up. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out.
So, Yana. Tapos, shout out Yana. Shout out Yana. Anyway, Rihanna. Oh, sige. Kabila lang to. Kabilang side. Okay, so guys, ganito yun. We were in Young's van. Tapos, hindi kasi kami dapat supposed to be there. Lander was there, but we did not know. So we were just staying there until nandun niya, naka-arrive na yung van na for us. And then, biglang, nandun na yung van namin. So, paglabas ko, nakita ko napansin ko si Kuya Lander. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, hi, bye. And I went outside the van. Tapos, si Rain went out. Rain went out the van. And she just looked at me like this. Oh, hindi kaya. Look at that! She's already smiling. Kaya, ganito lang ako. Okay, serious face then. Baba ng, ano yan, bus? Anong bus? Van? Bus yun? Bus. Nagtinginan kami ni Curtis. No, that's lying. Basta nakangiti siya. Kasi she was teasing me. No, I didn't even say anything. Sabi ko, nandun pala siya. But I didn't say that. It was just like an eye thing. And then, biglang ngumiti. So, I feel like mayroon talaga something fishy going on. Like, solo or mapaduet man. What do you want me to say? Crush mo ba si Jaya? Happy crush. In the house, Rain and I would always say, crush namin si Kuya Jem. Because Kuya Jem actually is really very guapo in real life, in person. If he's guapo in the screen, he's guapo in person. Someone said, sing Mamma Mia. That's on my list. I might sing Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia! Kunwari. Sige na.
Pa-shoutout. Di ba ako naging host bigla nito na wala kayong lahat eh. Pa-shout po Ate Nam. Hi, Judy Ann Lagman Kocha. Nawala na yung dalawang alaga ko. Nag-host na ako. Welcome Miss Pauline. Sabi sa'yo Miss Pauline, hindi lang shoutout pag nagkape tayo, mapapagod ka sa daldal namin.
Marites Ornop yan gumabon. Shoutout daw po.
Nasaan na? Hindi ko mabasa. Ate, sumama ba si Lander? Yes, Bebe Trendy, sumama po. Tapos ako nag-sacrifice, ako naiwan sa bahay para kay Marcus. Para sa happiness niyo at ayuda, pandagdag script, sige, pinasama ko silang lahat. Kami ni Marcus sa bahay lang.
Nandun sila JM and Biang nakasilip sa backstage kanina.